Hey all, so today I'm going to share with you some simple tricks on doing a repetitive design. It will look like a stamping like design and it will give a wallpaper effect on your nails. So all you have to do is stay a bit coordinated and it will be as easy as ABC. So I'm starting with one unit of the design and I'm going to repeat this unit throughout the nail. So I am starting off with one unit of the design which I'm going to repeat along this line and then move sideways. When you're doing the second line, you have to keep in mind that gap between the two units. In the first line you drew, you have to put the unit design of the side line in that gap only. Unit designs of every alternate line should be in the same position. I'm drawing diagonal lines to connect the flowers, and this was a pretty simple wallpaper stamping like design, and now I'm moving to a more complicated design. So I'm starting with my unit design and this is a bit more complicated, but it will look really pretty. You have to have some eye estimation so that all the units look of similar size and they do not look out of shape. Now I'll begin with the second line, and to maintain the symmetry and beauty, you have to find that gap between the two unit designs of the central line and put the central dot of that side lined design in that position. I hope you understand what I am trying to say, and for better understanding, please carefully look at the video. Now when you're drawing the unit designs in this edge of the nail, you have to keep them of the similar shape and position with respect to the line that is on the other edge of the nail, as I'm showing with the brush right now. This basically means the unit designs of each alternate line should be in the same position. So that brings this set to a completion. Hope you liked this video and got helped by this. Please show your love by liking this video and sharing this video as much as possible. And please, before the video ends, subscribe to my channel. I've been working really hard behind this channel and bringing to you guys really helpful videos. So please stay tuned in my channel for lovely and helpful videos. See you soon with more videos. Bye.